what's up, everyone? Glad to see you here. Welcome to the first episode of my new series exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to be diving deep into large language models. These are the cutting edge AI systems that can understand and generate human like text. These language giants have already started transforming how we interact with technology. And trust me, you're going to want to hop on this trend early. So get ready to have your mind blown. We are going to unravel the mysteries of large language models, or LLMs for short, and how they can simplify your life in ways that you have never ever imagined. At their core, large language models are extremely complex artificial neural networks. They're trained on vast amounts of text data to recognize patterns and relationships in human language. Simply put, LLMs are trained from information obtained from books, internet, articles, and conversations. When you feed them a prompt or query, they can generate amazingly coherent and contextual responses. Almost like having a conversation with a highly knowledgeable AI assistant. Models like GPT-3 have over 175 billion parameters, giving them an incredible depth of understanding. It's like they've read the entire internet. Here, let me show you an example. Here you are looking at ChatGPT 3.5 from OpenAI. I'm writing them a prompt. Write me a short story about a dog in the park with a boy named Bob. Now, guys, watch how quick it generates the story. I know, that was fast, wasn't it? From creative writing to analysis, coding to Q&A. Large language models are a total game changer, and we are just barely scratching the surface of what they can do. So, how can these AI language wizards actually make your life simpler? I know that's what you're dying to find out. Well, let me walk you through some mind-blowing applications. First off, we're going to start with personal assistants. Right now, guys, I want you to imagine having an AI assistant that can handle all your emails, schedule your appointments, answer your questions, and even draft documents for you. All through natural conversations. Crazy, I know. 2, coding and development. Now, for all my coding friends out there, LLMs can automatically generate code from plain English descriptions. Need a web scraper or data visualization? Just ask, and ye shall receive working code. 3, creative superpowers. Writer's block is now just a thing of the past. Large language models can churn out stories, scripts, poems, songs, and more from simple prompts. They can also assist with editing and ideation. 4, research and learning. We all know how tedious research can be. Well, LLMs can quickly gather insights, summarize long documents, and even explain complex topics in simple terms, making learning and studying 10 times faster. Here, check this out. Here I am, feeding Claude a prompt, asking it a very scientific question, something that would take me so much time if I had to actually go and research the topic on my own. But look at Claude Go. Just from the simple prompt, look at the vast amount of information. And that Claude is trained from a million different sources. Large language models truly are amazing technology, guys. 5. Task automation. Automating repetitive tasks and workflows has never ever been easier. With their understanding of natural language, LLMs can intelligently follow instructions for data entry, document processing, and more. At this point, you're probably thinking that this is all sounding way too good to be true. But trust me, I'm just getting started. Major LLM providers. The world of LLMs is a bustling ecosystem with contributions from major tech players as well as startups. Let me quickly run through some of the most popular models and tools. First off, we have OpenAI. OpenAI's GPT-3. This groundbreaking model kicked off the LLM revolution. We got to give them credit there. With its massive training data and its parameters, it excels at language tasks. Here, take a look at ChatGPT in action. Here I've simply just asked ChatGPT, who are you and what can you do for me? This is the response that it provided. Coming up next, we have Anthropic's Claude. Anthropic's Claude. Claude is focused on making LLMs safer and more ethical through advanced training techniques. Claude in action. Once again, feeding a prompt, waiting for the reply, only takes a second. And last but not least, we have Google Gemini. Google Gemini. Google Gemini in action. Google Gemini is a powerful AI model that can understand and work with different kinds of information like text, code, and images. There are also plenty of commercial APIs, tools, and platforms that package LLM capabilities in user-friendly ways. Copywriting tools like Copy.ai and Jasper, coding assistants like GitHub, Copilot, AI chatbots and assistants, and customizable models that you can fine-tune. No matter your use case, there is likely an LLM-powered solution that you can explore. Potential risk and limitations. Now, as revolutionary as large language models are, it's important that we also talk about their risks and their limitations too. Bias and toxicity. Like any AI, LLMs can reflect societal biases in their training data, leading to problematic outputs. There are also concerns around them being used to generate misinformation or harmful content. Privacy and security. With their ability to process and retain information, language models raise data privacy questions. They can also be vulnerable to malicious attacks. Lack of grounding. For all their language expertise, LLMs do not have a true understanding of the world. They cannot learn or use common sense reasoning. They have no conscience. Check out this chart. Pause to read. The AI research community is working hard to address these challenges through techniques like constitutional training, secure data practices, and building in-grounding capabilities. It's an evolving space, but awareness of these pitfalls is crucial as these systems become more prevalent. So there you have it, folks. This has been your Kickstart guide to the mind-bending world of large language models. I hope that I have convinced you of their incredible potential to simplify our lives through AI-powered language and understanding. Whether you want to automate tasks, tap into superhuman creativity, or just have an intelligent assistant by your side, this technology is a must explore. So here's what I want you to do. Try out some of the tools and models that I've mentioned. Get a feel for how LLMs work and start dreaming up use cases for your own. Level up your creativity. Trust me, once you experience that aha moment, you're going to be hooked. Alrighty, guys, for all my binge watchers, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because this is just the start. In upcoming episodes, we're going to go even deeper into LLM applications, compare different models, and look at how you can get started building your own AI assistants. I'm so very excited to take you all on this journey into the future of artificial intelligence with me. Let me know what you guys want to see covered in the comments below. This has been your guide to unleashing the power of AI. So stay awesome, stay curious, and let's explore the mind-blowing potentials together. Bye, guys.